Hello friends, welcome to Delicious. Today I will show Kerala style pan fried chicken. At first I will marinate 500 grams of boneless chicken breast pieces. Add 2 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder and 3 tablespoon of coarse grind black pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Add salt to taste. Keep the marination salty, that will improve the taste of the chicken. Add 2 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 sprig of curry leaves and half cup of sliced coconuts. Mix everything well and marinate the mixture for 30 minutes. Now we'll prepare a paste. Take 10 shallots in a blender jar. You can also use 2 medium sized red onions, 2 to 3 green chillies to taste, 2 inches of ginger, 12 cloves of garlic, 1 black cardamom, 1 inch cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 1 sprig of curry leaves. Make a coarse paste like this. Now I'll start the cooking. Heat coconut oil in a pan. Add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. You can also use any other neutral cooking oil. Coconut oil will improve the flavor of the recipe and will make it more authentic. Let it crackle and I will add 1 sprig of curry leaves. Add 4 dry chilies to taste. You can add more dry chilies if you like it more spicy. Give it a stir. Add the onion paste which I prepared earlier. Cook at medium heat for 5 minutes and keep stirring. This part is very important. Add little bit of salt to help release water quickly. Fry until light brown like this. Now add the marinated chicken. Cook the chicken at high heat for 5 minutes and keep stirring. After 5 minutes, lower the heat. Add diluted coconut milk, that is 4 tablespoons of coconut milk with 2 tablespoons of water. Give it a mix and cook covered for 5 minutes at low heat. After 5 minutes, taste the seasoning and adjust salt as necessary. Enjoy it hot with parotas.